September 14, 2016. I am trying to get back in the groove, and I think I'm starting to pick up my my routine of how I'm working and just hustling just working on the businesses that I'm trying to set up. Because at some point I used to do it in the morning, but for some reason we had visitors, I got sick, or all kinds of excuses. I lost my mojo, lost my schedule. So I'm trying to get that back up, and also my son started to go to school. As some parents obviously know, that just changes your whole schedule. So right now, what I do is try to wake up at about maybe 4 a.m. and from there I can squeeze in an hour and a half to 2 hours to just work on the blog and the video. By the way, the videos I've been making, I am thinking I have to cut them down, because like I did one yesterday. Not even sure if I should post it on the blog, but it's on the channel, it's on the YouTube channel. It took me 2 hours, almost 3 hours to upload, and I guess it's just how my internet speed is set up. It's the lowest speed that we can get from Time Warner. I don't plan on upgrading it because I'm not sure how much video I can make anyway on while driving. But so let's say if I'm going to do the videos, I'm going to do it maybe every other day instead of every day, or perhaps only when I have some good content. I have to somehow balance, because the videos are supposed to be like snippets of progress, but I have to build the long form content of the blog. So for example, yesterday I was able to write up the whole page, which I've had it stuck in there as a placeholder. There's a page on the blog about my concerns about technology, and basically how my job will be obsoleted through artificial intelligence, like in the next 5 years or so. I don't know, it depends who develops it. But the AI technology is already there in pieces and portions. It just has to be consolidated. So I wrote a good amount of text on that one, and I also got to do some research and just setting up the blog. I have not done all of those back of the house kind of stuff for, I don't know, it's been maybe 2 months delayed. But like linking the blog to YouTube and linking YouTube to the blog and that kind of stuff, and just those things I need to do slowly now. But I can't just pummel through it. I have to make content. I have to make it good read, and not just put stuff in there just for the sake of it. So I'm thinking I'll do every other day, 4 a.m., 2 hours, and that way I don't bust my health like I did at one point, just trying to do that consistently. But that should enable me to balance making videos with enough content, uploading, and just typing together solid articles for the blog, and just, I think it's a more balanced approach to it, at least until I can be more consistent, or maybe I can make some adjustments to my work schedule or whatever. But I think that will work right now without killing me. And also the other big thing is I'm trying to find, and this is, I'm not sure, naming the blog Resilient Dad was what I've always felt it should be named. At least when I put this together, I always thought resilience was what I should be striving to. But then I also have to balance that with, hey, are people actually looking for this kind of stuff? Do people out there define what they're seeking to do in their lives as being resilience? Because I know everybody, there's a whole to self-sufficiency, self-reliance. Resilience leads to that, but not. I don't know if people actually search for resilient living, because every time I do it, it's about surviving a terminal disease, or it's right now resilience or resilient something is always tied to a different subject matter than what I'm trying to build as resilient dad, resilient me. So I think I'm going to spend some good time researching what the name of the blog should be, because I'm trying to buy the domain now. I think I'm going to keep doing it regardless of if I do the book or not. I'm going to do the blog. At least I think I am. So I'm going to buy the domain. To buy the domain, I want to at least buy the right domain name. So what I'm trying to get at is, I need to find out is resilient. What's the key word that pertains to the thing that I'm trying to build here? Maybe it's not resilient dad. Maybe it's not resilient something. Maybe it's not resilient connected at all. Maybe it's something else. I don't know yet. So I'm going to do a test, come up with different names. I am going to run multiple ads online that will lead to different pages that are like temporary pages, and that will basically say, hey, this page will go to resilient dad, this page will go to self-sufficient dad, just an example, this page will go to homestead dad or whatever. I think that one's taken, and then based on that I will check which ones people relate to or search, or what are people looking in terms of these keywords, and obviously they have to relate to what I'm actually thinking about. Right now it's just a matter of renaming it to what suits what everybody else is having their heads, I guess. But the concept will remain the same. It's still about resilience. It's just a marketing thing that I've kind of picked up trying to read and research about building your own business. So run multiple ads, build different landing pages for them on the web, with multiple websites with many pages set up, and see where it goes. And then maybe this whole channel will change the name. I think you can do that on YouTube. I will have to check. But anyway, I think that's it for now. I've dabbled on for like 8 minutes and might be too long to upload already. So we'll see how that one goes.